Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Ashley and welcome. I do videos every week. Please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing I wanted to do is actually just sit here and talk to you guys on how different ways you can save money for luxury or pretty much for anything, which is the way I have been doing. I just want to share how I've been doing it personally. Ashley has been doing saving money. I'm sorry if I ramble a little bit, but it's just I just want this to be like between you and I and just talk, and you know, just maybe you guys could get to know me a little bit on my background. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Let's start this video. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I want to say, you want to know how is your spendings. Take a moment to look at your spendings on what do you spend more. For example, I know a lot of people say that just cut out like your morning coffee and you save about $1,000. In New York City, a coffee costs $3 every day and you save about $1,000 a year or something. You know, if coffee makes you happy, you don't have to do that. You don't have to cut out your coffee to save $1,000 for a bag. I think like I'll rather keep my sanity together, and I need coffee to survive, especially in New York. It's a crazy life and I bet everywhere else, but especially in New York, the city that never sleeps. I think cutting out my coffee is just something that's not gonna happen. I've tried just to cleanse my body to feel better. It's not happening. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. I think I would recommend to actually put your more effort on perhaps getting a raise, which is something I have worked on before, and having an extra raise or extra income coming in my life. I could take that money and put it aside for a bag or for shoes or for anything like that. I think that's something more useful and actually good for you and for your career growth and to enhance, you know, your career. And I think that's a good tip. Tip number 2. So go look at your closet. Go see what you don't need. I have so much things in my closet that I literally do not need. And what I do personally, I every 6 months or 8 months or a year, whenever I feel, you know, sometimes you start feeling like you need new clothes, but you can't afford that. So you just go to your closet, get stuff there, and put it on websites, eBay, put it on POSHMARK, put it in something. POSHMARK, if you hear me, you should sponsor this video. POSHMARK, I am so into POSHMARK. I literally sell like crazy, guys. And between you and I made about more than $3,000 within like maybe a year. Maybe a year or a few months, I'm not sure, but I've made about more than $3,000 just selling things, selling brand new makeup that I get gifted, and I have duplicates of. I don't need 3 of the same foundations. So I sell that. And for affordable prices. I just sell it, and shipping and everything's included. Just take it, girl. If you make someone else happy, good for them. Good. And I'll be happy by making that extra income that's going to help me make money, right? So that's the other tip. Mercy, I think it's Mercury. Mercy, eBay, POSHMARK. I do sell my stuff in POSHMARK, and I do have my closet, which I'll keep doing until I get tired. And yeah, it's just, I think it's something amazing that I could just sell whatever, take a picture, sold, fuera. And I think that that's the best thing I can do. Next, I am a college student. So if you are a college student, I am currently getting my master's, which I'm broke because I need to pay for my loans and living in New York, it's expensive, girl, expensive. So I also sell back my books. I have books that is just sitting there on my shelves. I just sell them back to my school, to Chegg, to Amazon, to you can sell it back to eBay, or you can if you have books of a previous class that you had to buy and you couldn't rent, you can go back to that class when the first day of the semester starts and tell the kids there, the students there, tell them, hey, listen, I have this book. Do you want to buy it half off? No. And that's it. You sold it. So I think that's something important being a college student. You should definitely sell those books if you're not going to use them, of course. Next tip. I think that doing chores. Sometimes I babysit on the weekends. It's something self-explanatory. You babysit. But yeah, here in New York, for babysitting, it's like for one child approximately is about, I might be off for a little bit depending where you live, because I know in Midtown, the city, Park Avenue, it's like skyrocketing. But I think I charge about $20 per child, and if it's 2 kids, maybe less, but that's what it is. So sometimes I do that. I just talk to people and tell them, oh, I babysit whenever if you need me, let me know, hit a girl up. I need an Everfull, and that's how it goes. Next, since you go to college, or if you do or if you don't, but you like writing, you can always help someone tutor, you can help someone with papers, and that brings in a lot of cash. And that's something I think that why am I sitting? Have I been sitting like this the whole time? And that's something I think you guys should also look into. Next is Ebates. I know you've heard this all around the internet. Ebates is the best thing ever. It is. You literally get cash back. I've gotten cash back and I go cash it out. I put it in my bank account and that's it. There you go. I made extra cash shopping online. Who doesn't love that, right? And yeah, that's the next tip. And those are literally all the things I do to actually afford luxury. I shop on outlets. I shop on other websites that give me cash back. You can also get a credit card that gives you, be careful with those, gives you cash back. I try to buy everything on POSHMARK or somewhere I can get it for less, if that makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense, but that's what I try to do. Like, for example, this bag is about $1,500. I got it for like $900, which is not a lot of a difference, but these 2 shoes down here, I got them for about $300 each pair, and they range about $1,000. And all of that I got through POSHMARK, which is I already talked about, so I don't want to talk about that anymore. But it's such a great website, guys. Just look into. And now POSHMARK takes about 20%, which it's a little crazy. It's a lot. So some people would actually sell through other websites that it's a little less of a fee for them, a commission fee for them. But that's what it is. And yeah, it's better off to sell stuff or get rid of stuff from your closet than have it sitting there, have a foundation or a nail polish sitting there and rotting and no one using it. It makes no sense to me. But yeah, guys, I think that's about it. I hope this doesn't come out in any type of shape or form. It is what it is. Sorry, not sorry. All the stuff I own is because I work hard. Trust me, I work hard. I do POSHMARK, I do YouTube, and I don't make a lot of money out of YouTube. So maybe one day if I hit it high, I'll make money, but I don't. Maybe one day someone wants to work with me, that'll be great. But yeah, I don't make a lot of money, so it's literally you have to scavenger and see and like try to find different ways on how to make extra income. Trust me, when you need that extra income for food or whatever it is, you will find a way to actually, not for luxury, but for anything, a car, food, college tuition, anything, you will find other ways to pay off and get the money that you need. I was never raised, my family doesn't know I own these things, because they don't come in my room, so, but they don't know I have $1,000 bag, because if I tell my father I have $1,000 bag, he will have a heart attack. He will have a heart attack. He sees me walking, he hasn't seen this bag, but he sees me walking around with a Neverfull bag, and he thinks it's a fake. So, whatever floats its boat. But it's not fake, but I'm not gonna tell him because I know he might, he will not understand. And it's okay, because I wasn't raised like that. I wasn't raised to have all these luxury stuff or a Chanel bag. I can never afford a Chanel bag, so I buy dupes or I buy this, which now I have, now I'm just rambling, but I've noticed that I do not want to buy replica bags anymore. If I do buy, I want to buy a dupe bag, which is a bag that might look the same, but it doesn't have like the same print or the same or logos on it, just something that looks similar. Perhaps maybe the style or the shape looks nice on me, and that's something I started looking into because so I hope these little tips helped out a little bit. You know, I gave you the way I do it, the way, you know, I work, I sell stuff, I literally try to do everything to try to get these little extra incomes. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this video helped you, and yeah, hope you guys stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Kisses, pretty people. Bye.